afternoon, students. Today our subject is maths and we are going to learn our next lesson, division. Okay, what is division means? Division means making equal shares. Means you have to divide equally. Now here one example is given. My mother has given me 6 sweets. Let's share them equally. Raju said Raju's mother gave 6 sweets and they have to share them equally. Sanju said, okay, you take one, I will take one, turn by turn. Means Sanju said one by one we are taking one sweet. So Raju said, I got 3 sweets because they are 2 and alternately they are taking one. So Raju said, I got 3. Raju got 3 and Sanju, I also got 3. So we got 3 sweets each. Here Raju is there and here Sanju is there. So they are taking one sweets. Here 6 sweets are there. So they are taking one by one. One Raju is taking, then Sanju taking, then again Raju taking, then Sanju taking, then Raju taking, and then again Sanju taking sweet, one, then they got 3 sweets each. This way children you have to divide equally. Now one more example is there. These are pictures of some boys and girls. Count to see how many children are there. There are some gawas too. They have to be shared equally among the children. How will you do that? Now see here some pictures are given of girls and boys. So here one boy is there and 3 girls are there. So total children are 4 and there are pictures of gawas too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gawas. Now these 8 gawas you have to divide among 4 children. So total gawas are 8. We are going to write in the given box. Total gawas are 8. One by one we are going to distribute. Now this one will give Suma. This one will give Raju. This one will give Meena. This one we will give for Anju. Again the next one again will distribute among themselves. Then we'll give first Suma, then Raju, then Meena, and then Anju. So here we got 2 gawas to each children. So here everyone will get how many gawas? 2. Each one will get 2 gawas. This way we have to distribute the equal parts. There are 12 biscuits in a packet. Equal shares must be given to 3 children, Raju, Sanju and Anita. Now children, here 12 biscuits are there. So total biscuits we are going to write here 12. Now we have to share them equally in 3 children, Raju, Sanju and Anita. So here children again we are going to distribute one by one. So we will get one for Raju, second one for Sanju, third one for Anita, fourth one again for Raju, again Sanju, again Anita, again Raju, again Sanju, again Anita, again Raju, again Sanju and again Anita. So you understood better here that each one will get 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 4 and 4 biscuits. 4 plus 4 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So 12 biscuits we are distributing among them equally. On sharing the biscuits equally, each one will got 4 biscuits. This way children, you have to do the division. There is a method given for division and you should distribute among themselves this way also. Now the next topic is forming groups or making shares or lots. Now here we are going to form a groups. Like this we are going to form a group. Mother said, I have bought 6 mangoes. Sucheta make lots of 2 mangoes to a lot. How many lots do you get? Now there are 6 mangoes. These are the 6 mangoes. And if there are 2 mangoes in one slot, in one lot there is a 2 mangoes. So how many lots will come? 2, 2, 2. There are 3 lots. Sucheta said 3 lots. Now shall I make lots of 3 mangoes each? Now Sucheta is going to make lots of 3 mangoes. She is taking 3 mangoes in each lot. So how many lots are there? There are 2 lots. This way we are going to make shares or lots. Now here one table is given. The table below shows how Sucheta distributed the mangoes. Total number of mangoes are given. Mangoes in each lots are given and total number of lots. This we are arranging in a table. Total number of mangoes are 6. Mangoes in each lots are 2 and total number of lots are 3. Again total mangoes are 6. In each lot there are 3 mangoes and total number of lots she made 2. This way we are going to make lots. Now mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. Now here total number of mangoes are given. Mangoes in one lots are given and total number of lots we have to find out. Now you have to make a lots this way. Now there are 8 mangoes. These are 8 mangoes. We have to make lots. In each lot there are 2 mangoes. So here one lot is given. We have to do the lots. Two mangoes in each lot. So how many lots are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 lots. This way we have to find out. We have to make lots and write the total number of lots in this box. Again 8 number of mangoes are given and mangoes in one lot is 4. Now we have to make lot with 4 mangoes. So there are how many lots? 1, 2. We got 2 lots over here. This way children we have to complete the table given. Now mark the lots in the picture and complete the table. Here also we have to mark the lots. Now total number of cucumbers are given. There are 10 cucumbers. Number of cucumbers in one lot is given different and we have to find out the lots. We have to make the lots according to the given number and write down the total number of lots. Now here children, there is a 1 cucumber in one lot, for example, is given. So you have to make a lot over here. And count it accordingly. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 lots we got. Because there is a 1 cucumber in one lot. So we got 10 lots over here. Now 2 cucumbers in one lot. Make lots. In each lot there are 2 cucumbers. Now we have to count the lots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 lots. Now number of cucumbers in one lot is 5. So we have to make a group of 5 cucumbers. So there are 1 and 2. 2 lots are there. If there are 10 cucumbers in one lot, so we have to make a lot of 10 cucumbers. So we got only 1 lot over here. This way, children, we are going to make a lots and write down the total number of lots in the given box. Now the next example is, there were 12 children with Tai. She said to them, let's play the game of making groups. You must make groups as many children as the number of fingers I show. Tai is showing the number and accordingly they have to make a group. Now Tai showed 4 fingers. Now children, you have to understand that there are 12 children and we have to make a group of 4. So how many groups were formed? If there are 12 children and we have to form 4 groups. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many lots are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many groups were formed? 3. Tai made a hand sign of 3 fingers. Now Tai is made hand sign of 3 fingers. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So total number of children will get 12. So how many groups will form? 4. Tai showed 2 fingers. Now 2 fingers Tai showed. So how many groups we will form? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 8. 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 2 12. So here we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 groups. Now Tai made a hand sign of 6 fingers. Now Tai made hand sign of 6 fingers. So 12. 6 fingers means 6 plus 6. We'll get 2 groups of